amateur contest na sinalihan ko. Inimbitan niya kami ni Papa sa kanyang poultry farm dahil doon daw sila nag-iensayo.
Nasurpresa nga ako nung may naghatid ng jeep sa kanya sa poultry farm ko na doon nakabase yung CB and Friends Band, yung the first band na nag-join si Regine Velasquez.
Oo nga pala, ang CV and Friends Band ay hindi Chona Velasquez, kundi Celso Valeriano.
Ang crowd drawer siya. Kung wala itong band to, wala pa rin yung band ako. Parang makakamilangawin dito.
Pupunta tayo ng Pandi. Pupuntahan natin yung yung kaibigan din namin si Celso.
Pinakita ni Kuya Celso ang ilang litrato na hindi ko na matandaan. Batang-bata pa kasi ako noong mga panahong pumupunta kami dito. Ito yung mga families na parang nag-ampun na sa akin talaga. Nakakatuwa na parang dati pa, madami na talagang taong tutulong sa akin. Isang pribadong pagbisita kay Inang, na nanay ni Kuya Celso, ang hiningi ko bilang pagtatapos ng aking pagdalaw dito sa Pandi. Alam kung saan mang lupalop ng mundo ako mapadpad. Ang mga taong tulad ni Kuya Celso, Ma'am Susan at Lucy Galvez, Tata Estong, at ang minamahal kong probinsya ng Bulacan. Sila ang aking babalikan at nasa puso ko magpakailanman. Actually, yung driving force ko talaga sa buong buhay ko, sa buong singing career ko, to be able to help my family. And I thank God that He chose me. He gave me this talent. It could have been Kakay.
Masyado siyang blessed. Kasi napakabait ng bata eh. Kaya binibigyan siya ng swerte ng Diyos. Isipin mo, mga kapatid niya, pinagpatayo niya ng bahay. Binigyan pa ng sasakyan. Binigyan pa ng kapitan. Makas. Saan ka naman makakita ng ganong kapatid?
Siya kasi, yun nga, she's very focused sa trabaho niya. Ayaw niya, kunwari may break siya, sasabihin niya sa akin, hanapan mo ako ng racket. Yung parang hindi siya mapakali sa bahay. Ayaw niya kasi, now she lives here in Quezon City na, hindi na sa Bulacan. Parang, kung mag-isa lang siya doon, parang nalulungkot naman siya. So parang she prefers to work. Plus, ever since talaga, workaholic siya. Ayaw niya may pahinga or if ever hingi lang siya sa akin day off. But yun na yun.
Regine has a very good work attitude. But let's just say there was one time we had a concert in Folk Arts Theater. She fainted eh. She was so tired, she fainted, diba? So that night we went to her hotel room to check her out. And she was there with a vaporizer covering her face and just inhaling this vapor, cleaning her lungs, all stuff. Imbis nang lalabas siya, magsasaya siya, gigimik siya o no, hindi. She's preparing for her next day.
Swerte mo, ikaw gumagawa eh. Kung hindi ka kikilos, hindi ka suswerte eh. Nalagaan mo ang karir niya. Kaya, hindi ba suswerte yun talagang kami gumawa ng swerte namin.
Regine will now forever be a Philippine musical icon. She's a Barbra Streisand, at the very least. Diba? Regine is hard to beat. Maybe you can make her pantay. Maybe you can beat her some of the time. Because, you'll never be always the best. There'll always be somebody better than you. But of course, there's Lea Salonga. Let's not discount her. There's also Lani Misalucha. Let's not discount her. But Regine will always be Regine. There's only one Regine. And that's that little girl from the province called Chona Velasquez.
knocking across the water, across the sea, ocean under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard. I'm lucky I'm in love with my best friend.
Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again.
They don't know how long it takes,
Waiting for a love like this.
every time we say goodbye.
Goodbye. I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you. I promise you.
I'll wait.
I'm lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed though we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. So I'm sailing through the sea to an island where we'll meet. You'll hear the music, fill the air. I'll put a flower in your hair.
Oh, the breezes, the trees move so pretty. They're all I see as the world keeps spinning round. You hold me right here, right now.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed though we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday.
Two of the most handsome and most popular actors today, Mr. Ding Dong Dantes and Dennis Trillo.
Tatlong nagagandahang dalaga ang may madilim na liit.